Some heavy boots within the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF) are stumping in support of one of its members as she goes for a coveted national title later this year. The cops are calling for support for Sasha Henry, the policewoman who created history by becoming the first JCF member to become a national beauty pageant contestant back in 2017. As she prepares to take on another big challenge, the 2019 Miss Jamaica Universe pageant, Constable Henry of Constant Spring is one of Miss Jamaica Universe finalists this year and needs her help to get her to the top in the public book section. A message on the JCF Facebook page stated on Wednesday, Henry, 27, hails from St. Catherine and is a past student of St. Jago High School and the Convent of Mercy Academy, more commonly known as Alpha Academy. She is also a graduate of the University of the West Indies, UII, where she pursued a Bachelor of Science degree in Public Policy and Management major, criminology minor, and graduated with honors. Henry has been a member of the JCF for 5 years and currently serves in the St. Andrew North Division as a bicycle patrol officer. In her social media post, she said becoming in Miss Jamaica Universe has been among her lifelong dreams. She won 3 sectional prizes and made it to the top 5 in Miss Jamaica World 2017 pageant. Henry also represented Jamaica at an international pageant in Egypt in January 2018 and placed 7th among the representatives from 66 countries. She also received the JCF Netball Team Ambassador Awards and the Prime Minister's Youth Award in 2018 in the category of Nation Building. So, as I can see these people, my viewers and my subscribers, you understand, this is a police lady, and, to be honest people, it's a great feeling, but, what's the thing I really look at it? Look at her educational background, you understand? University graduate, and she has so much bachelor's degree, and you see the work she's doing. She's a bicycle patrol officer, you understand? So in the end, please support this lady. In Jamaica, you can vote for her, you know what I mean? Please do and support her, because honestly people, she have a real big background still. You don't know people, so give Sasha Henry support. You don't know, again, this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Just giving you a quick update. Blessings people.